Hi, I'm Samara. In this video, I will teach you how to do a vertical cat-eye, which looks like this. Let's go! Understanding how to do the horizontal cat-eye move can be helpful as a starting point to learning this move, so check out my tutorial below if you do not know how to do this move already. Where the horizontal cat-eye translates the hoop from side to side, the vertical cat-eye translates the hoop from up to down. I will be referring to points around the hoop as 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 6 o'clock. Although the hoop moves up and down, your hand about the hoop will be moving through all of these spots on the clock. I'll first show you this move with my right hand. Grab the inside of the hoop, palm facing up, and thumb to your right. Hold the hoop below your center at your knees. Next, I move my right hand to my 9 o'clock or my left. My right thumb is pointing to the sky and the hula hoop frames my body. Hi there! From this position, I move my right hand from 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock and push the hoop above my head. My right thumb is pointing to the left now. Let's move through that again. Start with the hoop at your knees. Now the hoop frames your body. Now it's above your head. From this position, I move my right hand to my 3 o'clock and my right thumb is pointing to the ground. The hoop is framing my body again. Whenever my right hand is at my 9 o'clock or my 3 o'clock, the hula hoop frames my body. And here's a slow-mo of what you just learned. Now I move my right hand down to 6 o'clock and it is in an awkward hand positioning, so at the same time I allow the hoop to roll over the backside of my hand and catch. We are now back in the starting position and can repeat. To recap, move your right hand from 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock, hoop that frames the body, to 12 o'clock, hoop is above your head, to 3 o'clock, hoop frames the body again, and back to 6 o'clock to repeat. Here's a slowed view from the back. And that's the vertical cat-eye with your right hand. Whew! My right shoulder is a bit tired, so you know what that means. Time for the left hand. Grab the inside of the hoop, palm facing up, thumb to your left. The hoop should be below your center. Next, I move my left hand from my 6 o'clock to my 3 o'clock. My thumb is pointing up to the sky and the hula hoop perfectly frames my center. Starting with the hoop below the stomach to now framing the body. I see you through the hoop. I then move my left hand from my 3 o'clock to 12 o'clock and push the hoop above my head. Run through those first few parts of the move. Left hand moves from 6 to 3 to 12, back to 3 to 6 to 3 to 12, and so on. From this position, I move my left hand to my 9 o'clock and the hoop goes from being above my head to framing my body again. At 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, the hoop should frame your body. Here's a slow-mo of what you just learned. To return to 6 o'clock, I move my left hand down until my arm is in an awkward position, so to prevent this from not feeling so fun, I allow the hoop to roll over the backside of my hand and catch it. When you combine all that together, that's the vertical cat-eye. Here are a few slow-mo clips of the move. And that's it, mostly. You learn the move moving in one direction, but a variation is to reverse that direction. The awkward hand positioning and grip change occurs at a different spot in the move, but the mechanics are generally the same. And now here's an attempt with my left hand. Keyword, attempt. I'll now go over 3 transitions using the vertical cat-eye. The first is to move from vertical cat-eye to an isolation. The next is to move from an anti-spin flower into a vertical cat-eye. And here's the left side. The third is a fishtail into a vertical cat-eye. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you found this tutorial helpful. Bye!